Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix sponsor request limit on Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that purpose, the thing is, first thing that you have to know is the Cash App will automatically reset the Cash App limit. You can see Cash App sponsor request limit typically resets after a certain period, which will be usually 24 hours before you can send additional sponsorship requests. During this time, consider reviewing your Cash App's terms of service and community guidelines if you have violated any or not. If you're using the sponsorship features responsibly or not, check that out and you're good to go. If that is also not helping you out, then you can simply choose to contact Cash App support by going into your app, going into help support section, and simply writing them a message regarding the issue. Other than that, you can also have the option of explore other ways to connect. You can see while you wait for the sponsor request limit to reset, consider other ways to connect with users on Cash App, which can be like sending money, requesting money, or using the app's messaging feature. This way as well, you will get yourself engaged and your resetting of the sponsor request limit will be also done. Simply wait for a while and you're good to go. Max 2 weeks will be the time limit and you're good to go. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.